people felt they constantly had to feed instead of being a natural part of their business day, then you probably failed. So what's the solution? So customer-effective private equity puts the focus back on user adoption. And by doing that, it puts the emphasis back on improving your business processes. So what we do is we help you manage the deal life cycle, because we know if your people don't use it, it's not going to be successful. So how do we do it, and how do we do it quickly? Well, the first thing that we do is we ensure that the right data is at their fingertips. And this could be external data, this could be CRM data, this could be from a separate system within your organization. We also want to ensure that they're using familiar tools like Microsoft Outlook and the Microsoft Office Suite, Excel, Word, and things like that. Because we found that if people are using tools that they're familiar with and they don't feel like this is a new system, they feel like it's part of what they already do as part of their day, then user adoption is going to increase. And we also make sure that they can access their CRM mobilely. So we want to make sure that mobility is part of this. We want to make sure that if people are on the road and they can do so many other things from their smartphone, we want to make sure that they can access their crucial CRM data from the road, but they can also interact with it, and they can look at metrics. They can enter data after they go on a call, after they have a meeting with somebody. That way, it makes the people who use this every day more productive, and it really makes their business processes more efficient. Okay, so we've been successful with this, but one of our customers has been successful. Part of this is that Customer Effective for Private Equity is powered by Microsoft CRM 2011. So this has been one of the fastest, or the fastest CRM product to get to 1 million. We were the fastest to get to 2 million. So obviously, 80 countries, 40 languages. That's great. One of the reasons we've been successful, like I said, is the native integration with Microsoft tools. And as we go through the demonstration later, you can see that kind of firsthand how that works. Another reason that Microsoft CRM 2011 is because of deployment flexibility. We give you a choice between cloud, on-premise, and hosted. If your business, tells us that I need a hosted solution, or I need this to be here in my data center, that's okay. You can do it, and the user experience will be exactly the same as it would be if it's in the cloud. We're not going to try to sell you on a pure cloud solution. We certainly have a cloud solution. We have regional data centers in the Americas, but the point is that we're not going to force you into that. So when we say that Customer Effective Private Equity is built on Microsoft CRM, what do we mean by that? Well, Customer Effective for Private Equity, it's a set of configurations. It's a set of custom workflows, business intelligence tools, industry-specific data modeling that leverages Microsoft CRM. And since we specialize in financial services and here capital markets specifically, we know what CRM for private equity looks like. We've been there before, and we can leverage our experience with companies in the same arena. So here's just a quick slide of some of our success at Customer Effective. These are some of the not necessarily private equity firms, but these are certainly some deal makers that we have helped be successful. There are some private equity firms on there, but there's also some investment banks and other companies that are really just involved in making deals. So not only do we know the private equity side, but we have reference models, and we have products that also address investment banking, asset management, and so on and so forth. what does customer effective private equity? What is that? How does that help you build better productivity? And what we found is that better insight into relationships means we can see more connections between deals and people. We can see connections between deals and funds. We can see connections between the deals and the activities associated with that deal. We also get a holistic view of the entire organization and how they're interacting with our deals and what activities are driving that. So we also improve the deal flow and deal management. We know you see thousands of potential deals a year. You've got a team of analysts that are focused on deal sourcing, so you need to be able to quickly and efficiently see which deals are a good fit. So CRM helps us see that. We can see connections between people involved in deals and which deals are a good fit. And we also, have improved deal velocity. And what I mean by that is we have your people can reach more people in a strategic way because they know what's going on with the deal and they know how people are connected. It also gives you more touches per analyst, which means we can close a deal quickly for less cost to the firm. Okay, great. So we're going to just take a quick walkthrough of kind of a day in the life. We'll